Alright, hey guys, welcome back. So today I wanted to share with you guys what we picked up at Aldi. Yes, because this time I actually went in because I'm watching my videos. Usually my husband, I give him a list, he goes to Aldi and he gets so many other things than what's on the list and I show you guys. But this time we actually decided to go to Aldi and our goal was to spend $100. Um, I'm gonna go ahead and kill it now. We ended up spending $102 with tax, which was perfect. We just didn't want to go crazy overboard because things are getting really, really expensive, and we just wanted to get the essentials, that we needed for the week. So the reason there isn't meat or anything like that really in this haul is because we're actually going to Costco next week, which is when we get the paper towels, toilet paper, chicken, ground turkey, and that's our big buy. But this is just like a week, every other week kind of buy. So let me go ahead and stop talking and show you guys what we picked up. Okay, the first thing we got is water. Really, really boring. We normally get it at Costco, but we're running low, so we got a little bit to make sure we have enough until we make our Costco run. Okay, so the first thing we got were cookies. We didn't really need to get these, but we both craved cookies. I love these iced oatmeal cookies, and he got some Oreos. My daughter actually was the first time of her trying Oreos, and she loved them so good. She's gonna be like me and her dad. We both love Oreos. Um, my husband loves tater tots, so he got some of these. We got some cream cheese, unsalted butter. This is what I use when I bake. Some pumpkin, since it is still October, November. He absolutely loves the pumpkin. Pumpkin muffins I make. I was like, what is that called? I got some chocolate fudge frosting. I'm going to make him a cake, so he wanted that. Some half and half. I'm gonna make some broccoli soup, so I needed that, and I also love that with strawberries, even though we didn't get some this run. Animal crackers. My daughter hasn't had animal crackers yet, so we decided to get that. I used to love these as a kid, and they're French toast sticks. I wanted something that's fast and easy for me, my daughter, for those mornings. I don't really feel all that great because I didn't sleep good, or she didn't sleep good, to just have a quick breakfast. So I got those. We ran out of our maple syrup that we normally, again, get at Costco, the big guy, so we decided to just get the little one for now, just to hold us over. We got some string cheese. Oh, out of focus. String cheese. We got some mild cheddar, which is my daughter's favorite, and we also got some mozzarella. She absolutely loves cheese with pepperoni and crackers. That's her favorite thing ever. So we had to make sure we had that on hand. We got some bacon, and we got 2 things of eggs. So the only way my daughter eats eggs in general is in fried rice or in French toast. So I have to make sure I kind of incorporate it in our meals. I got some pasta. These are like a Halloween cute themed ones, which I thought were really, really cute, to make some mac and cheese, and she could kind of see the little spiders and stuff. I thought that was really cute. We're running low on Parmesan, and I love Parmesan pretty much on anything. So we need to get a new one of those. My husband loves the croissants. They usually don't have the brands at ours. They usually have like their off-brand ones. So we got some of these. This is the buttermilk one. I do like the flakes ones better, but this is the only one they had. And then okay, guys, my mic actually shut off at this part, but I don't remember what I was saying. But anyways, I got some cinnamon rolls. I did try the Costco, not Costco, the Aldi one, and I did not like it. Maybe that's what I'm saying here. But these are my favorites. I love using it with apples and everything. I have a reel on that too. Got some marinara sauce. I also got some potato for the potato pizzas that I made. Again, I have a reel on it, so go ahead and check that out. I had gotten some cake for my husband's birthday. He actually picked the classic yellow, and then I personally love chocolate, and so does my munchkin, so I got that as well. All right, now I'm sliding over to this side, and I picked up some carrots. My daughter's actually starting to like carrots, which is so exciting. She actually had a reaction when she was a baby, so we couldn't give it to her, but now she is perfectly fine with it, so I am so happy, and she actually really loves them steamed. I really want to do what I was saying. I got some sour cream. That's actually what I put inside the cakes. It makes them a lot more moist, and it tastes a lot better as well. Try that out if you haven't already. Got bread, white bread, and a wheat bread for me and my munchkin for our sandwiches for the week, and for my husband's sandwiches that he loves having for lunch. He's lame. He does not like hot lunch. He likes cold lunch. It's a struggle. Some garlic, got some cilantro, and we also got some spinach that is back there as well. I like putting that in our sauces. Some pears, my daughter's favorites, some cuties. And she actually says those are cuties. And then she says that the big oranges are heavy oranges. Instead of big oranges, they're heavy oranges. We also got some apples and I got some garlic. Tis the season, basically getting sick, and garlic, ginger, I mean, and ginger really helps with a lot of that. So, ginger, honey, lemon, you are good to go for this horrible cold flu season. And that is all we picked up this time around at Aldi. What do you guys pick up? What do you guys like picking up at Aldi? Let me know in the comments. And again, my mic was off, but I was saying thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe if you haven't already. And then I remember I zoomed out and then I was like, if you guys like videos like this and kind of have like a goal of $100 or $200 on my shopping trips, please let me know, because this was kind of fun to see how much we can, get it under.